Going to be covering REST operators in JavaScript, and a simple example to understand this concept is by creating a function, right? And let's call this function result. Let's say I'm going to pass data. I'm going to console.log data. So right here on my browser in the console, I'm going to refresh this, and I'm going to log results and pass the data. Let's say hello, okay, and that's my result. Now what happens if I want to add more data into it? Let's say a number 2, or let's say hello world, right? That would make more sense. It is only picking up the first data all the way to the left because I only defined one data, actually one argument right here. If I go here and I say extra, right, and I run the same function, now it's going to pick up both. This is where REST operator comes into play. I could go to the arguments and actually name this all amount, or actually any amount of data, any type of data, and I could actually pass any amount or type of data, meaning if I come over here and I do this, anything that I passed is going to be done as an array. So if I come here and I say results, I could also pass any, like I could pass an array, apple, banana, right? I could also pass an object, and everything will be passed as an array. And if you want to check this out, I could say array is array, and it should give me true. So this is an easy way to pass a bunch of data and print it out as an array. That was all, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you soon.